Good morning, everyone. It is day one of lockdown again, and here we have the 1892 lever action Winchester. As you can see, the barrel's an octagonal barrel, medium pitting, I would say. Fairly original condition, only a couple of small little things. Stock looks to be in fairly good condition. A couple of small little chips here and there, but nothing major. Looks to be, originally this rifle would have been a blued barrel action lever. We're going to be doing a full restoration on this. We're going to go with colour case hardened receiver, lever, butt pad and fore end cap. Blued barrel and magazine tube. There'll be some more videos following of the process, so we'll keep you guys informed of how it's going here at Pakenham Firearms.